How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be an update on my Fred Henry Pappy, his appreciation build, and it's hosted by Jeff, you know, the little ferret boy. Old Jeff. Here's old Jeff. Let's see, let's put his card up here. If y'all ain't subscribed to old Jeff, please do, but if you're listening to this, you should be. Alright. And like I said, this appreciation build going on is for right here, West Georgia Rod and Customs, old Fred Henry, old Pappy. There's his shop card, and there's his other shop card. If y'all's not subscribed to him, which you should be, get over there and get it done. I'll leave this links in the description below on these guys. Great pillars of the community. Fred Henry, that guy can do anything. He's a excellent model builder. He's good on tips and tutorials. He's just an all-around great guy. A lot of knowledge there, a lot of knowledge. And as y'all remember, my build for the appreciation is I didn't have no Pro Street, and that's a little bit much for me to start right now, starting to scratch build a Pro Street. So I decided I'd get one of my vintage kits down. I stole this from Lucas C. He's looking for it. If y'all guys, he keeps griping that he's lost his Fast Eddie SCHARTMAN. Tell him come over, Scale Model Car Guy. I got it right here. Tell him I went all the way to Arizona from Arkansas and picked it up. All right. So this is what I'm building, and we'll turn this thing around here in just a minute. But before I do, I always want to thank my subscribers, the old subscribers, the new subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, it's free, don't cost you nothing. And if you're listening to me and you build models and you ain't got a YouTube channel, it's not hard to do, guys. Look at me. I'm nothing special, and I can do a YouTube channel. Anybody can do it. Come on, guys. If you want to be a part of the community, make a video, and I'm sure Jeff and one of us, somebody's going to find it eventually, or contact me, and I'll help promote you. All right, guys. That being said, I'm going to shut my big yapper, and we're going to turn around and look what I've got done so far. All right, guys. Here we are. My desk is a mess, as always. I've gotten, you can see right here, I've gotten the decals on. I still have to do the bare metal foil around the windows. Put bare metal foil right here, and then touch up the blue around, because the micro saw and set has split my decal a little bit right in there. So I'll get all that detail work done, like all the chrome and everything. Then I'll give it a clear coat, and then I will have to paint this back half black right here. You can see it did the same thing over the door handle right here. So once I get the chrome foil on that, then I can kind of touch up the blue and make it look a lot better, clear coat it. You can see I got the fade going on there. I did the yellow car. He had several cars he raced. He had the gold with the fade. He had the yellow with the fade. And this is the Comet. He also had a yellow Comet with nothing but the blue checkers. No, actually, no, that was a Maverick. He had a Maverick with the blue checkers, and then he had a Maverick that was yellow, that had the yellow stripe like this. So he raced two Mavericks, and he raced two Comets. And this is one of the Comets that I'm doing that he raced. I think old Lucas C said he started his, but he was doing his in the gold livery. I'm doing mine in the yellow like the box art, as y'all seen right there. box art. Doing it just like the box art. Let's see. I've got the engine block painted, starting to do some detailing on it. I'll be wiring this sucker up. So there's that. Let's see, guys, get some light on here a little bit better. A little bit better light on this. I don't know if that's coming in good or not. There it is. Well, there you go, guys. You can see I got the blue. Started painting on the fuel pump there. There's a coil that needs to be painted on. Got that. I got my headers painted white. Both of them. You can see right there. Got the transmission bell housing painted. Just needs a little bit of a wash on it. I'm starting on the dash right there. You can see I've already detailed in there, but then I got the clear glue on it till when it hardens up it'll be clear, and you can see, and I'll have to do all the chrome and all the stuff on the dash still. His actual car didn't have a yellow roll cage in it, but it's all black in there and you just lose everything in the black. So I went ahead, I'm going to paint my roll bar. It's my kit. I'm going to do it the way I want. Yes, it's not going to be period correct, but who cares? Who cares? I don't get caught up in all that crap. So it's going to be yellow. Here's my tunnel ram. Got the carbs painted in a titanium gold color. I got the tunnel ram painted up. It needs to be a little bit of black wash on everything there. Let's see. Interior tub, like I said, I ain't even started detailing anything in there. It's just black. Firewall, same way, you know. It's just no detail yet. I've started doing the chassis. Those wheels are not glued on. They're not going to be until it gets built. But there's my wheels. Just put a black wash on the chrome. And these wheels started cracking on me in the back. I guess because the plastic is so brittle, so old. Guys, you got to watch out on these vintage JOHAN kits. And the back wheel's doing the same thing. It cracked on me. But that's in a nutshell. That's about all I've gotten done there. I think I got the window stickers are in the windows. Really, that's all I got to say on this one. I mean, you know, I got the bucket seats all done. I'll probably put seat belts in this. I am going to wire the ignition on it. But other than that, put the chrome foil on it. I mean, it won't take much and it'll be done. Put a black wash in the grill. I'll still have to paint the marker lights. I black wash the valve covers. Just put a black wash on everything. So guys, it's nothing special right now. There's a little carburetor caps. That's all they are. It's just a cover to go over the carburetor. I looked online and I think they were done in like a red, I don't know if it's a vinyl or a leather or whatever, so I just painted them red. So yeah, that's where I'm at on this one. So here in a few days I should have this one wrapped up, and then I'll get back on Cliff's motorcycle group build. And like I've showed that before, that's really about all I've gotten done. Got the engine painted, got some of the frame up here. Oh, here's the hood. I forgot the hood. There's the hood. The hood's painted up. I think I got the frame painted on the motorcycle. I've got a lot of little stuff done on the motorcycle, so it won't be long after I get this one done here. I'm going to get on that one. And I'm thinking about making a response to Lucas C. Him and Brian had a video last night on the model car guys. If y'all need to go watch that, that was a good video. To build or not to build vintage kits. And my response to that always, build, build, build. All models are meant to be built. I've got tons of vintage kits sealed here that I can unseal. We're going to build them. I got lots of JOHANs. One of their questions was, what's your oldest model kit? And what's your favorite kit? Well, I've got hundreds of vintage 60s and 70s model kits. I can't pinpoint probably my favorite, but I'll put something up. I might have to go through and show a bunch of them. I really don't know, but I'll go to their YouTube page. I mean their Facebook page, I think, and he said something about put pictures on there, so I might just do that. So if you're listening, I'll find something because I got a lot. Bye.